Look at that, we're about to hit Grizzly River Run. Got the big Grizzly right there with his rapid, you know, everything's looking fun. We got this going on. The wait time says it's 50 minutes, so we'll see exactly how long it is when we go in. We'll check this out right now. And this is the beginning of our entrance into the Grizzly River Run. 50-minute wait time from what it said posted at the front. Let's see how long that really takes. Hi, family. Hi, family. All right, so we're gonna just get a quick little walkthrough to the side before we go on our little adventure. When it's hot, it splashes. And when it splashes, you get wet. Let's walk this way so we can see this side. And then this is right here when they start to spin the boat. You see that? It's coming down, it's spinning. They're spinning that boat so that we can get the maximized soakness of this ride right here. And then just wrap around the corner. You hit on right over here. This is a great angle to check it out. So you can see when the ride comes through, you'll see when the boat comes, they'll spin it right at the top, and then you'll see the magic happen pretty soon. Check it out. We'll try to get a good angle of them coming down.
You saw that?
That's what we're gonna be doing in a few moments. You ready to try that?
Yeah.
You ready? All right, beautiful hot summer days. Gotta try a frozen banana, some caramel corn. Don't forget your water, you gotta stay hydrated. So, but definitely gotta check out this frozen banana right here with chocolate and peanuts.
Dad, have you seen this dancing corner?
She's gonna go ahead and get her first bite on the banana. Let's see, what was your, I told you it's frozen solid. You didn't believe me. She's gonna break her teeth. How was it?
Definitely frozen.
Need some time to thaw. I know, I figured. That caramel popcorn is always good. Always recommend it. But stay hydrated. It's on a hot Sunday, hot day. You need that water as well. That's why we're getting on this Grizzly ride. Our first stop in California Adventure is Grizzly Rapids. Can't go wrong. And again, it said 50-minute wait time. We'll go ahead and see how long we've been waiting. I just say 10 minutes in my book that I've been here, so we'll see. So we'll see how it goes right now. It's really frozen. Give it a... We're making our way down the road. And then bam, the sun hits you in the face right here. Right here's the loading dock for the ride. Got everybody getting into the boats.
Shows prior to boarding your rafts. Each raft seats up to 8 right there. So
we're making our way there little by little. We're seeing how long the ride takes in time. And it's not no 50 minutes, that's for sure. said it was 50 minutes. I totally doubt that. They got this line moving, cruising, ready for a dueling. From here, we just kind of wrap around there, come this way, make our way down. Once we make our way down, we get loaded in and we're on the ride. Go ahead and see if we get it go on this one. Looks like we're waiting on the next one. All right, looks like we're making our way in. We are almost on the ride now, so I don't think it was not 50 minutes. Nah, not at all. So. Then again, the times do vary on certain days. We've been on this ride where it was a walk-on, so you just gotta get lucky on a day, I guess. See, from here on out, we're walking all the way straight in.
Take number 8, watch this, that's number 8.
All right, we're going right on in. Here we go.
Guys, screw down all the way down.
All right, family, here we go.
It's been sitting for days. Yeah.
It's been marinated. But they got a filtration system back there too, so.
No, but those things that don't have a
Oh, no, hell no.
It's not really bad.
Just the straps. Just the straps.
You guys are gonna get it.
I'm gonna.
Bruh. Bruh.
No, you guys gonna get it. Because we have less people.
You want a bet?
Oh,
Mama, I'm waiting for you.
I don't know.
We're
But you
turning
might
it.
get
remember, keep your feet up because the thing when the water splashes.
Haley wants to get wet, huh?
Yeah, she always wants to get wet.
Greetings, wafters. To assure a safe trip, remember to stay seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the raft. And be sure to watch your kids. Oh, and never forget, don't feed the bear.
Saludos, navegantes. Para asegurar un viaje
Look at that. Oh, look at that.
sentados con el cinturón de seguridad.
I don't know what you're doing. If we twist it, we can twist it this way. No.
Stop it. Mom, stop.
Here we go.
Go back. Go back. I don't know.
Uh-oh.
Pause it.
It's working.
Get it.
Here we go.
Stop.
Let's go.
No, twist it.
Oh, I'm getting wet already. Those sprinkles. Oh, that one's.
Dad,
My speaker. I'm holding it. Oh, you mean this one? The camera. That's the magnet. It should be fine. We'll see.
Oh, that's just when you're going fast. The faster you go, the faster it twists.
That's the bottom. We're making our way up.
I'm gonna get wet.
We're almost to the top.
Yes, you are.
Here we go.
This thing is small. This thing is tiny. No, it was the other one.
We're not slow. It's the rapids.
And then up top over there, you can see the bear. The bear's up there. You'll see the figures once we come around. See the bear. There, you see the bear. Here we go. Oh!
I didn't cause a disaster.
Twist it down.
Oh!
This is gonna be a joke.
Go there. with it, go with it, go with it. Go with it, go with it. No, it's gonna hit the water.
Oh, here we go. We got our first drop coming. Here we go. Oh, you guys are getting it. Oh, no, we're getting it. Here we're getting the drop. Yeah.
Bye. Bye.
Woo. Yeah. Oh. Woo.
Why is there so much water? Damn.
It's summertime, girl. Oh. Oh.
I'm questioning.
This is the one right there. That one.
That's the big one.
That's the drop. We gotta get them on the backside.
Oh man, my girls are
No, it's the one that shoots up.
The same thing happened.
Oh, that one don't really matter.
The same thing happened to my mom.
The curls are gone. Here we go.
I don't know if you guys are gonna expect it.
Here we go.
It's gonna twist. I promise you, it's gonna twist. It's gonna twist.
Oh, this is the one right now.
Oh my goodness.
This is the one. It doesn't matter. It doesn't
Oh.
matter.
It doesn't matter, dude.
It does matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Oh. Look at the big geysers. Oh, we're getting soaked regardless.
This is the one right there.
We're getting soaked.
Oh my God.
Yup.
Right.
No.
What's happening?
Woo. Woo. Oh, guys. Yeah, I'm soaked. We're soaked. Oh my gosh.
I'm dry. You should have brushed hard.
Oh man, yeah, we're totally soaked. That was the Grizzly Rapids ride. Thank you all for joining us for the ride. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Thanks.